Hi, I'm U.S. Senator Rob Portman. Small businesses have been hit particularly hard by this coronavirus pandemic. You think about the local restaurant or the movie theater, or the bowling alley, or any retail establishment. They've been hit really hard because essentially they aren't allowed to keep their doors open and do their normal business, and yet they've got bills to pay. They've got rent and utilities, and many are trying to keep some people on payroll. So in this new package that Congress passed called the CARES Act, there is a provision that I think can be very helpful to small businesses. It's called the PPP program, Paycheck Protection Program. In essence, it tries to help small businesses keep the doors open, but also keep their employees on board. So if you're a small business, anywhere up to 500 employees, so whether you're a self-employed person with just one employee or whether you're a company with 400 employees, you're permitted to apply for this program through the SBA, the Small Business Administration. Go online, sba.gov/PPP, Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, and you'll be able to get a loan application. The application is not extensive, thank goodness. It's one that can be filled out relatively quickly. You do have to certify that your business is affected by this pandemic, and that's important. But when you do this, you can go straight to your bank, whether it's a savings and loan, a credit union, whether it's a community bank, or whether it's a regional or large bank. As long as it's FDIC insured or Farm Credit insured, they will be able to help you. They'll be able to provide you not just a loan, but a loan that converts to essentially a grant if you use it for payroll and some other specified purposes. So as an example, if you're a small business, you go to your banker, you provide the loan application, you're able to qualify. You can then get a loan up to 2.5 times what your payroll was before the pandemic began. And that can be used for your payroll expenses. It can also be used, 25% of it, for rent, for mortgage, utilities. And the loan converts essentially to a grant because the loan is forgiven if you use it for those purposes. So this is a way to help keep the doors open. It's a way to ensure that our small business community, which is so essential to our economy and so essential to employment, more than half of Americans work in small businesses, can not just stay open, but also keep some of these employees on board. This is important for those employees who most of the time get their health care through that employer and their retirement plan through that program. It's also important because once the economy starts to pick up again, once we've made enough progress on the coronavirus pandemic, that people feel it is appropriate again to gather, to go to a restaurant, to go to a movie theater, to go retail shopping, then there will be an opportunity with these businesses still open and the employees still there to be able to get back in business more quickly. So I hope you'll take advantage of the program. If you have any questions about it, check with the SBA, but also if you can't get through, let us know. portman.senate.gov/information/coronavirus. Thanks so much for listening. Stay healthy, be safe, and good luck.